Guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, guys. So as you can see here, a lot of wallpapers which you can choose from. You have a bunch of these wallpapers. As you can see here, you can scroll and look for what you want. And you do have this option here, which is pretty much the premium section. You can see pretty much the premium wallpapers. You have some new options. As you can see, you can tap on any options here. You can pretty much scroll and look for what you want. You can go in the purchase section if you have pretty much purchased any one of these premium wallpapers here. And as well, you can tap on the option down here, which is the desktop wallpapers, which you can download as well and pretty much use with your laptop or your desktop, either one that works for you. So you can pretty much go in the collection section here to see all the different wallpapers that are pretty much different from the premium option, but you're gonna need a pro subscription to be able to access these wallpapers. So let's start with the free one. So for the free ones, you can pretty much go ahead and select whichever wallpaper you want to use. Here it will just give you a quick review, nothing much. Here you can pretty much tap on the edit option here to go ahead and download the edit to your liking based upon what you want. You can tap on this option here to pretty much go ahead and download, but you pretty much have to log in. So yeah, and as well you can go ahead and tap on the set option, and it will pretty much set this here on your device as your home screen or your lock screen. You have to pretty much choose whichever one you want to set as your home screen or your lock screen. So that's really pretty much it for that. As well, if you do want to get their pro or subscription, you can tap on the pro option at the top here. Here, as you can see, you have the lifetime option, and as well you have the normal subscription, which is pretty much $5 and not that expensive, cheap. So yeah, that's really pretty much it for the AI wallpaper application. Very easy to use. Nothing, not hard for you to not understand. And if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next one. And forgot to mention, you can tap on any one of these wallpapers here. Tap on the art icon here to add it as your favorite as well. So see you guys in the next one.